Hello YouTube, this is Coding for Noobs, and it's time for your 10th C# tutorial, and we're going to be doing the else, if, and else statements. Basically, it's a second option, so if your if statement doesn't work, then it's going to check for more conditions. So we're going to go ahead and copy the tutorial 9. I'm going to copy all the code from there, because we can actually build on it. So now we're going to create a new project called tutorial 10 else if. Sorry, I'm a little bit tired now. This is probably this is the 10th tutorial I've done today. They're going to start slowing down soon because they're going to start getting harder. Right now I'm just trying to get over all the basic syntax and everything so we can start doing some more advanced stuff. So like I said, we're going to copy and paste over that last tutorial, and I'm just going to remove some of these comments. I'll leave those there. And so before we asked the user to enter the name, and we were checking to see if their name was greater than 10 characters. So now we're going to check to see if else if str input dot length is less than 5. Console.WriteLine, you have a short name. So right away, I'm pretty sure you can see what we're doing here. If you remember how the if statement works, is if condition, so our condition is if the length of the string is greater than 10, we're going to tell them that they have a long name. Now, after this checks, if the length is less than 10, it's going to run this code, else if. And what else if is saying, else if the string input dot length is less than 5, we're going to say you have a short name. Now, if the if statement returns true, so if the length is greater than 10, it will not check the else if statement. It'll come down here under the if statements, because it already found a case in the if statements which was true. So if we run this and we do Jordan, 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 you have a very long name. And as you can see, it executed saying I have a very long name, and it completely skipped over this code. If we run this code again and we do something like hello 1 2 3 4 5, so we're going to just do hell, it'll say you have a short name. Now what happens if it's like HELLO, which is greater than 5 but less than 10? Nothing's going to happen. Now if you want to stop this from happening so that you still want to tell the user something, we can use what's called the else statement, which basically means if all else fails, if the name is not greater than 10 and it's not less than 5, we're going to execute this code. And we're going to say console.WriteLine, you have a normal name. And basically this says, or this will happen when the string input.length is greater than 10. So if it's not greater than 10 and it's not less than 5, it's going to go to this code, and it's going to execute this code because there's no conditions on it. So when we go and we go JORDAN, you have a normal name, because my name is less than 10 but more than 5. I hope you guys found this tutorial a little bit more useful. I'm going to do one more tutorial with if statements, and we're going to look at how to create a basic menu using a console window. After that, we'll get into what's called arrays, and those will get a little bit more complicated. I hope you guys are understanding these tutorials. If you guys need more help, please request it, and I'll make some more videos explaining anything I missed. Please subscribe, rate, and comment, and have a nice day.